the elevator at the, I think it's Sterling, I want to say? Or it's 1720 Wazee.
Okay. You haven't done this yet?
No, but I've been on it once.
Okay. There's Sam right
There's
there.
Julia.
Let's see how long it will take.
Hopefully not too long. Any day.
Yeah, we're just hitting
There we
the
go.
right on this.
Yeah, we'll go 6, B2, 6, 1.
Okay.
Okay,
There it is.
Happy.
6.
Oh, whoa, that's a weird seal here. Oh yeah, I remember this.
I can see what you mean when you say it runs like a train and sounds like one.
This runs like it's low on oil. Those are weird. They're like sticky almost.
Cat view up here.
Yeah, this is nice.
It is.
It's It's odd, but it's nice.
Stopping on 3.
3E. Look, that one says E.
Heading down?
Yeah.
What floor?
1.
1.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you mind if we just get off there, or?
We can be too long.
Okay.
Yeah, just so I don't disturb anybody.
We're just interested in the elevator.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You
You too.
Oh, this one. So look, this one like, there's like the 6C, 4E, 3F,
I'm
2F.
guessing those are all for the rear door.
Oh yeah, for sure. So you need some oil.
Lost focus there. There we go.
Those are weird. Those don't press like normal Kone KSS or Series 220. Sorry.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Oh shit. How's it going?
What floor are you going to?
I'm going to the top.
Nice. I'll just watch the button go out.
Alright, I'll get the indicator.
Alright.
Sounds like me after I eat Taco Bell. Take care of it.
Have a nice day.
No, don't worry, we're enjoying it.